In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram stories using Figma. We'll start by setting up the perfect canvas so your design displays correctly on any phone. Open a new Figma file and create a frame that's 1080 by 1920 pixels. That corresponds to a 9:16 am aspect ratio, which is exactly what Instagram stories use. With that frame in place, you'll know every pixel you design will appear as intended. Next, bring in your text to establish your brand's look and voice. Type your headline and any supporting copy. Then apply your brand fonts and colors so everything feels consistent. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for readability and keep your hierarchy clear. A bold headline, concise subtext, and minimal fine print. As a practical guide, make headlines large enough to grab attention at a glance and keep body text comfortably legible. Clear spacing and alignment go a long way toward a professional result. Now add visuals. You can simply drag and drop your own images into the frame, or, if you prefer stock photos, use a plugin like Unsplash to place images directly in your design. After placing a photo, adjust its crop and position so the focal point is obvious. If the image competes with your text, consider slightly dimming it or placing text over a subtle color block to improve contrast and clarity. Enhance the layout with shapes, icons, and color accents. Simple rectangles can create banners. Circles can frame photos or callouts. And thin lines can separate sections without clutter. Icons help communicate quickly, so use them sparingly to guide attention. Stick to your brand palette and use color to establish emphasis one accent. Color can highlight calls to action, while neutrals keep the design clean. As you place elements, keep crucial content away from the very top and bottom of the frame. Instagram shows the profile and progress bar at the top and the message box at the bottom. So keep headlines, logos, and calls to action within a comfortable central safe zone. Think of generous breathing room above and below your key elements to ensure nothing gets covered or feels cramped. When your design looks the way you want, select the frame itself so you export the entire story. In the right-hand panel, open the export section. Choose PNG or JPG for the best quality. PNG is great for crisp text and graphics, while JPG can be smaller if your story is photo-heavy. Keep the 1080 by 1920 size. Then export to your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.